Hello, dear traders. My name is Lena, and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with the euro against the dollar. The pair is trading at 1.0830. The euro was put under pressure by statistics from the Eurozone. Thus, in April, the producer price index in Germany increased by 0.2%, which led to a decrease in the annual indicator from 2.9% to 3.3%, while analysts predicted the value at 3.2%. It is worth noting that the slowdown in industrial inflation will contribute to a further weakening of consumer inflation, which will give European Central Bank officials an additional argument in favor of starting to cut interest rates during the June meeting. The likelihood of a rate cut in June was also confirmed yesterday by ECB head Christine Lagarde. Thus, the prospect of an early easing of European monetary policy could send the pair to 1.0700. Next, Brent. The oil remains under pressure. The negative dynamics are developing against the backdrop of an increasing likelihood of the U.S. Federal Reserve maintaining interest rates at a high level for a long time. The minutes of the last meeting of the American regulator published yesterday showed that Fed officials are ready to tighten policy if inflation continues to rise. Additional pressure on quotes is exerted by data on oil reserves in the United States. Thus, according to the Energy Information Administration, oil reserves rose by 1.8 million last week against a forecast of a decrease of 3.1 million barrels. Sellers were also supported by easing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Against this background, Brent oil may test $80 per barrel. And finally, pound against dollar. The pair is trading at 1.2730. Traders analyze April data on the Consumer Price Index, which in annual terms fell from 3.2% to 2.3%, while analysts had predicted a decline to 2.1%. The Core Consumer Price Index, which does not take into account prices for food products and energy, decreased from 4.2% to 3.9% against the forecast of a decrease to 3.6%. Higher inflation than analysts expected reduces the likelihood of the Bank of England switching to dovish rhetoric in June. After the report was released, the probability of a rate cut in June decreased from 55% to 20%. Given the above, the growth of the pair may continue. So, these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.